Vapor density of N2O4, which is dissociated according to the equation N2O4 gaseous changing into 2NO2 gas, is 25.67. Temperature given है 100 degree centigrade, pressure 1 atmosphere. Calculate the degree of dissociation and Kp for the reaction. Degree of dissociation का एक और formula है which is equal to theoretical density minus experimental density divided by n minus 1 into experimental density. Theoretical density हो गई जो हमको molecular weight से मिलेगी, that is 2 into vapor density is equal to molecular weight. तो density will be equal to molecular weight divided by 2. तो N2O4 का molecular weight है 92 divided by 2. This will give the value of theoretical density, that is 46. Experimental density given है question में, that is 25.67. Now what is N? Now 1 mole of N2O4 breaks into 2 moles of NO2. तो यहाँ पे N की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 2. So N is the number of moles formed or the number of molecules of the product formed when 1 mole of the reactant or 1 molecule of the reactant forms the product. Now putting the values, 46 minus 25.67 divided by 2 minus 1 into 25.67, alpha की value हो गई 0.792. So alpha is the degree of dissociation. So initially अगर 1 mole of N2O4 था तो amount of NO2 0 था. But when alpha moles of N2O4 dissociates, it forms 2 alpha moles of NO2. Now at equilibrium, the total number of moles will be moles of the reactant left. So moles of reactant left is 1 minus alpha plus moles of product formed, that is 2 alpha. So total number of moles at equilibrium is 1 plus alpha. अब Kp की वैल्यू हो जाएगी partial pressure of NO2 raised to the power 2, because moles of NO2 formed is 2 moles divided by partial pressure of N2O4. Now partial pressure of NO2 will be equal to moles of NO2, that is 2 alpha, divided by total number of moles into total pressure, that is 1 whole square, and partial pressure of N2O4 will be moles of N2O4 left at equilibrium, that is 1 minus alpha, divided by total number of moles, that is 1 plus alpha, into total pressure, that is 1. So into 1. Solving, ये आ जाएगा 4 alpha square divided by 1 plus alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha divided by 1 plus alpha. Rearranging and solving, ये हो जाएगा 4 alpha square divided by 1 plus alpha into 1 minus alpha. 1 plus alpha into 1 minus alpha हो जाएगा 1 square minus alpha square. तो 1 square तो 1 ही होता है, तो 1 minus alpha square. So this becomes 4 alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha square. Putting the value of alpha and solving, this value of Kp will be 6.7.